right. This video is going to cover the features and navigation of our portfolio page. So if you've watched the dashboard features video, I went over the top navigation menu. So if you need to revisit that, you can go back and take a look at that video. I also went over the Analyze Portfolio AI button here. Again, you can review that. So we're going to go over the portfolio page. Now, as I mentioned, in our overview panel, it gives us a quick view of what we have in our portfolio. We have our wheel chart, shows us the sectors we hold positions in, and when we click on a sector, it will take us to our portfolio page and it will sort by that sector. So we'll start at the top here. These quick view cards are pretty self-explanatory, right? Day change shows you how much your portfolio has changed over the day, total value of your portfolio, your current profit and loss, and the profit and loss percentage, and then our dividends panel over here. If you click on that, it will bring up a dividend window. So it will show you which positions you hold that pay out dividends. It'll show you the past dividends, what the projected payout will be and when. But this is just a quick view of your dividends so that you can keep track of those. And below that, below our quick view cards, is our page name, the positions we hold, and how many positions we can hold based on our tier level. We have the market open and close status as we do on the other pages, and our refresh button. Again, all of our data refreshes every 15 seconds, but if you do need a refresh in between that, you can just click that button. Then we have our add positions button. Below that, we have our fields, basically our tickers. These are the positions we hold, the sector that they're in, quantity, cost basis, the current price, day change, how much that position has changed today, the total value of the position, and profit and loss. Now, underneath that, we have underneath our current price, we do have pre-market and after hours indicators. So this will tell us how our stock is changing during those pre-market and after hours time frames. All of these menu items, except for the notes and the actions, are sortable. So if you click on the ticker, you can sort alphabetically, reverse order, and the same with sector, quantities, and everything else. Click on your day change, see who has the most change, up or down. So what we want to do is we want to go over the add position. Now, our portfolio page is pretty basic. Every platform has a portfolio page and a watch list page and an alerts page. I mean, these are just standard things that come with the platform. So if you trade on different platforms, as I do, then this is a good place where you can have all of your positions in one place so that you don't have to go across your different platforms to view what you hold. Okay, so if we want to add a position, it's pretty straightforward. Let's add Apple. What the heck? Tells you the ticker symbol, the quantity, the price, and the date. And any notes. Click on Add Position. And there we have it. It adds it in there. Now, if you have any position that you add, all of this information will update automatically. So let's add an ETF that pays dividends, and we'll see that our annual dividend changes up here. We'll add this one, and as you can see, our dividends changed. Our ETF got added into our portfolio, and now when we view our portfolio, our dividend pop up. And if you want to know more about ETFs and dividend payouts, we have a blog on our blog site that goes in depth. So some things to look out for, especially on these weekly dividends. Okay, if you add to your positions, let's say we added to FJet. Let's say we add another 100 shares at the current price, $6.83. We're going to see that our quantity updates, but also our cost basis will update as well. So that way we don't have to figure out, what our cost base is and if we're rebasing on any stock. So we add our position, we see that FJet increased our quantity, our cost basis went up by a few cents, and it also updated our ledger, so our profit and loss and everything. Okay, over here in our quick actions, we have edit and remove. So if we sold any position, we would be able to edit that, and we have our quantity, and again, we can update our cost basis if we needed to. So let's just say we sold 100 shares. We would be able to edit that. Make a quick note. And click save. And now that saves and recalculates our ledger. And also, if we sold all, we can just simply remove it. So let's say we sold all of Kodak and we remove that. We'll see that everything updates or change our value, and all of our ledger information is updated accordingly. Okay, another thing to note on our portfolio page is that all of our ticker symbols are clickable so that you can see how intraday trading is going. On this page, we update the prices every 15 minutes, and we can see the 20-day and 50-day moving averages, so we can kind of plot our strategies around that. So that's just a quick rundown of our portfolio page. Again, it's pretty standard with a few tweaks that we have that include our dividend. This is a really helpful screen here. I like this. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video.